In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Calendly appointments in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Calendly or you've been using it for a while but need a quick refresher on navigating your way through the platform, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Calendly website. It's as simple as firing up your browser and searching for Calendly. Or even easier, you can type in calendly.com directly into your address bar. This will take you to the home page of the leading online appointment scheduling software. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a prominent login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all your Calendly setups, meetings, and more. After clicking login, you'll be presented with several options for logging into your account. In this case, to keep things streamlined, we'll focus on logging in with Google. So go ahead and choose the Continue with Google option. This is a convenient choice if you want to sync your Calendly appointments with your Google Calendar, making it easier to keep track of your schedule. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use with Calendly. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that you want associated with your Calendly scheduling. This step requires you to have a Google account, so if you don't have one, you may want to set that up beforehand. After selecting your account, you might have to give Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This allows Calendly to check your availability and add scheduled appointments directly to your calendar, ensuring you never double book or miss a meeting. Once you've successfully logged in, you're almost there. The next step is to navigate to the right spot in Calendly where all your upcoming appointments are listed. On your Calendly dashboard, look for the Event Types tab, or simply click on the link that takes you to the editing phone, Calendly, if you're following along with direct links. This section is essentially where you manage and customize your meeting types, but it's also just one step away from viewing your scheduled appointments. To see your upcoming appointments, locate the meetings link from the dashboard. It usually sits among other options like event types, scheduled events, etc. Clicking on meetings will unveil a list of all the appointments you have lined up. It's here that you can see who you're meeting with, at what time, and any notes or agendas associated with those appointments. And just like that, with those simple steps, you now know how to access and view your Calendly appointments. It's a straightforward process, but one that's crucial for managing your time and ensuring you're prepared for all your meetings. A couple of tips to enhance your experience. Regularly check your Calendly appointments, especially if you have a busy schedule. This helps you stay on top of your meetings and make any necessary adjustments in advance. Also, consider exploring Calendly's settings and preferences. Here you can customize how you receive notifications about new appointments, allowing you to stay informed in a way that suits you best. Remember, the key to getting the most out of tools like Calendly lies in understanding how to navigate and utilize their features effectively. And with today's guide, you're well on your way to doing just that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe for more content like this. Here's to making scheduling and managing appointments a breeze with Calendly. Until next time, stay organized and efficient.